he gonna notice me? Maybe I should wave. Come on, just one wave. There you go. Somebody commented on one of the videos that we didn't have a fire truck, but we do. That truck follows us to every field that we have. And if we really feel like there's a need, there's a road grader that comes out and sits as well. Lucky 13. Today is day 13. Today is day 13 of this Montana wheat harvest experience. Literally a non-stop marathon. I think I've mentioned that before, but it's true. I haven't done very good about introducing the team players here, and partially that's because I don't know if they really want to be on video, and the other reasoning being that it seems like we haven't had much time just to sit around and get a breath and do that. But I'm going to just spew off the names here, and then maybe we can put some faces with names at a later point. So in the 4 combines we have at the front, we have Brett, who is the farmer's son Brett. Then we have Dad, Dennis. And then we have Dave, who is Dennis's brother. And then we got Jimbo, and then me. And let me get started in the field here, and I'll start naming off the rest of the team players. Okay, so the rest of the crew players, we have truck drivers. We have Ellis, who you've met. And we have Nick, who you have met. We have Connor. I know you've heard his name on the radio. Bryson, who you have seen. They call him Scooter. They all have nicknames. I'm still trying to figure that all out, but I'm getting there. Jed. And then we have our cart drivers. Whitney, who is Brett's wife. Whitney typically drives the red tractor and the big grain cart. And then we have Jesse James. We have Jesse James in the green tractor. And of all the people in the field, I guess probably the truck drivers and the cart drivers have it the worst, in my opinion. But the one who has by far the worst are our cooks. And our cooks are Katie and Carol. Carol is Dennis's wife. Katie is Brett's sister. So it's a family-run operation. I know some people are thinking that probably that this is some corporation, large corporation, and it's not. It's all family-owned. Family-owned business. They've done a heck of a job of getting what they've got. Then we have our 3 little ones. We have Reagan, Charles, and Maddie. So that's the crew. You count them up. I probably should have, but I have not. Hope I haven't left anybody out. So here's to hoping for a good day. Back to cutting good weed again. The field that we left prior to this one yesterday was a little bit of a struggle for thin wheat. I think they had told me that was due to variety and sawfly possibly.
The truck over on the east end over here, but what up, Ben? feet then. Tell us where we're at. Okay, I'm just about up the Fulgess. Alan's going to be right up here at this end. Straight east of us here, Jess. Awesome, thank you.
Just in time, Jesse James.
Thanks, Tracy. Thank you.
Everything's filling up. Switched over to barley. See a few grasshoppers in the field. Nothing like I've seen in Jordan though, but there are some grasshoppers out here. Most of the time when you do this job, you have your head constantly looking down, looking at the grain head, looking at the ground, making sure that you're catching everything, watching for rocks, etc., etc. And then you look up and you see something like this. And it's just amazing. This is what barley looks like. And the combines are pretty much either at a turtle's pace or stopped waiting for trucks because this is doing well over 100 bushel. I don't cut enough barley to really know what the average is, but I'm pretty sure that that's way above average. this guy, gal actually, Katie's running it today, so Brett can keep up the trucks. We got an extra truck running with us today, and even that we can't really keep up. Look at how pretty that stubble looks after the barley's been cut.
Okay, we're going to go to the yard, and then we're going to kind of hold up for a little bit because that tractor will not go. So we'll hold up for dinner. A little extra time, I guess, won't hurt none of us. And then we're going to have to put the Deere back on that other cart. Otherwise, we're going to be just sitting down in the field doing nothing anyway.
So what I was about to say was we finished another field and we're down to only one cart with 5 combines.
At this point, that damn red thing needs to be driven into a creek, Dennis.
And that's how Jim really feels about that
Because every once in a while there's a gremlin in the bunch, and that one must have the check mark on it. I wonder if it just developed this problem while it was on this farm, or if they've always fought it. That's the $1 million question right there.
It sounds like they will be putting the green tractor back on the cart so that we can keep rolling this evening. And it sounds like a little extra long supper time. So that'll be good. We'll catch our breath again before headed out again. Thanks for the pizza, Flip. It was nice to meet ya. Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.